Well, we're very happy to be this year in San Nicolas. This is the 10th year anniversary of the Sinterklaas Riba Caya event. Today we went to two schools in Oranjestad, maybe 200, 300 kids. And tomorrow is like the big event. And as I said, we started this 10 years ago, but now we're passing the torch to Paulina Perret, my daughter. And thank God we found Janine, which has been actually she's done pretty much everything for this event. So this is pretty much all I have to say. I'm happy. This started, the PANA Foundation, as something for the Venezuelans to give back to Aruba. So we are fortunate to have been welcomed in Aruba, and this is our way to give back. In total this year, we have presents for 500 kids. So it's the biggest event ever for Sinterklaas Riba Caya. Club Boneiriano. We're going to have music, we're going to have some snacks, some juices, and a lot of presents for the kids. This is for the kids, for nobody else.
This is my first year organizing the event. However, I have been participating since I was 6 years old, and it helped me see the value of giving back to the community, and I love to be able to give gifts to the kids and see their faces when they open their presents. This year, we had the opportunity to go to many schools. On Friday, we went to 2, and tomorrow on Saturday, we are going to around 10 schools. And it is a parade where we will end up in Club Bonaire, and then there we will give the gifts to all the children. It feels a little overwhelming at times. However, I got to rely on my dad as he knew how to do it, and it helped me connect more with the community. I had to reach out to different people to donate, pick up gifts, and me, along with my mother and my sister, wrapped every single gift. Everything started around a month and a half ago. However, as we got closer to the due date, we started doing more each day. So for the past week, I have been non-stop at the office just wrapping gifts after school.
Mito hindi ko si hopi atividade ayas kaba. Just graças a chamada de maneira Errol desde mas era conhecido maneira sukasa suyu na turhende e paduna back na público maneira e eu acabei bisa paduna muito na hasina feliz. Nós sabem back aqui. Nós começamos amanhã no Amor. Nós sali comparada, tem broma de polícia delante. E tudo é muito não que agora invitar. Nós estamos na bin trempang, ser na boner club trempang. E na tem turcos panang e panang city panang tem Sinterklaas masha dushi. Nós tem basta escola para participar. Aqui na Aruba, toda a escola San Nicolas tem na Savaneta. Nós também tem voluntário na boner club também. Nós também não tem nada, nós também tem nada e assim nós também seguimos com ele. Para a gente também tem caminho, quando nós temos muito na padrenta, muito na para comer, muito na para que nós temos na regalo. Se não quer sacar para trás que pitches não Sinterklaas não tudo sei não também com a riba Caya com nós, assim nós passamos dia mais dois para muito.